Countersinking is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves creating a conical hole in a material, typically metal, to allow for a screw or bolt to sit flush with the surface. This process is commonly used in the aerospace and automotive industries, where precision and accuracy are crucial. Countersinking can be done manually using a drill bit or with the use of a specialized machine. The depth and angle of the countersink can be adjusted to meet specific requirements. Countersinking is an important process in manufacturing as it ensures that screws and bolts are securely fastened to the material without protruding, which can cause damage or injury. It also provides a smooth and even surface, which is important for aesthetic purposes. Countersinking can be used on a variety of materials, including aluminum, steel, and plastic. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company based in Minnesota, offers countersinking services as part of their machining capabilities. With over 60 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and equipment necessary to provide high-quality countersinking services to their clients. They use state-of-the-art machinery and techniques to ensure precision and accuracy in their work. Berkness Company understands the importance of meeting the unique needs of their clients. They offer customized solutions to ensure that their clients receive the best possible service. Their team of experts works closely with clients to understand their requirements and provide tailored solutions that meet their specific needs. If you are interested in learning more about countersinking or any of the other services offered by Berkness Company, you can visit their Contact Us page on their website. Their team is always available to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision. With their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust Berkness Company to provide you with the best possible service. FAQs. 1. What is countersinking and why is it important in manufacturing? Countersinking is the process of creating a conical-shaped hole in a material, typically metal, to allow a screw or bolt to sit flush with the surface. This is important in manufacturing because it ensures that the fastener does not protrude above the surface, which can cause damage or create a hazard. 2. What tools are used for countersinking? There are several tools that can be used for countersinking, including handheld countersink bits, drill bits with built-in countersinks, and specialized countersinking machines. The choice of tool will depend on the size and shape of the hole needed, as well as the material being worked with. 3. What are some common applications of countersinking in manufacturing? Countersinking is commonly used in manufacturing for a variety of applications, including aerospace and automotive industries, where it is used to attach components and fasteners to metal structures. It is also used in woodworking and construction to create a flush surface for screws and bolts. Additionally, countersinking can be used to create a decorative effect on metal surfaces. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.